It's recording now, right?
Uh-huh.
I tap you. Oh, you're not gonna tap back no more?
Quit it.
Did you hear? I'm getting throat gutturals now when she does it. Hi, little baby with the little open eye. Do you hear her just before she...
Is that a dove growl?
How many times have I petted you, you selfish little dove? Squared off of me now. I didn't even touch it.
You violent savage, you.
I'm a violent savage.
No, she is.
Now she's gonna get pissed off at the babies because they're moving around and she's trying to fight. She's like, would y'all just... I can't get... Would you just sit still? You're on my foot.
Maybe she's trying to feed your finger.
I don't know. Right now she's messing with baby shit. I need to let the baby with the eye open. Hi. Little one.
You see what the male's doing?
He's just sitting on the ground.
Just sitting there.
Just sitting there.
Maybe she's been pecking him too.
You never know. She won't play with my right hand. She'll only deal with my left hand. Bailey's over here having issues. He keeps rearing up on her like, Mom.
Oh well. I guess that's enough of this.